Hi, everyone, and welcome back to What's Your Skincare Routine with Leora Luciano. I'm your host, Leora. Now that we're heading into spring, I am pretty sure if you're like me, your skin needs a full hydration reset. Winter does a number on your skin's barrier. Dryness, dullness, even irritation from the extreme cold or regular cold and indoor heating. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 skincare essentials to repair, nourish, and deeply hydrate from head to toe. These products will help rebuild your skin barrier, restore moisture, and get your glow back in time for spring. And stick around because I found an SPF that hydrates like a dream and won't pill up under makeup. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification so you never miss my beauty and skincare tips. And if you're listening on the podcast, make sure to follow and leave a review. It helps to support the show. Let's start with exfoliation. In order to properly hydrate, it's important to exfoliate away dry, dead skin cells. I love using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. And the key ingredients are pretty much listed in the name. So you have PHA, which is polyhydroxy acid, and that gently exfoliates without irritation, and it's perfect for sensitive skin. BHA, beta hydroxy acid. That helps to unclog pores and smooth texture. And then, of course, we have the watermelon extract, which helps to hydrate and also brighten skin. And to use this, you want to apply AM and PM before your serums for a fresh, dewy glow. The next step would be to use a hydrating serum like the Dime Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And when you hear hyaluronic acid, you want to think of that term as a moisture magnet. It attracts and retains water, so it helps to keep your skin plump and hydrated. What I like about this one is that it uses a multi-weight hyaluronic acid to hydrate multiple layers of the skin, and also glycerin and aloe vera, which helps to enhance the hydration and soothe dry patches that you still might have, whether it's due to the winter or your skin type runs a little bit dry. To use this, you'll want to apply it on damp skin. You can use it right after your toner for maximum absorption. And next, if you are in need of deep repair and overnight masks, something like the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream is incredible. Here's what I love about it. The key ingredients include Japanese indigo extract, which helps to soothe irritation and redness, ceramides and mondo grass root, which strengthen the skin barrier and prevent moisture loss. It also includes probiotics to support the skin's microbiome for long-term hydration. This product is designed to be used overnight as the last step in your skincare routine to really lock in and reset that hydration. If you're enjoying these product recommendations so far, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps to support my channel. Okay, this is one I'm really excited about. It is newly launched and it is the Tula 24/7 Moisture SPF. Now, we always talk about using SPF 365 or 366 on a leap year. Regardless of the time of year, UVA and UVB rays can cause damage, hyperpigmentation, and premature aging, even on cloudy days. Now, of course, what I enjoy about this SPF is the ingredients. So, the key ingredients are hyaluronic acid and watermelon extract, which help to hydrate while protecting your skin, and then the peptides to help firm up your skin as well. And then it is also lightweight and fast absorbing. So it makes it perfect to be worn under makeup or as that step in your skincare routine right before you apply your makeup. So it is a 2-for-1 in the true sense that it hydrates and is your SPF at the same time. This is your daytime product. You can use a moisturizer before it if you require that. However, I feel that once I started using this, I didn't need a separate moisturizer, but I tend to run combination to oily, especially as we move into the spring summer season. But if you are a little bit on the drier side, you may want to add a little bit of a moisturizer and also just kind of wait a few minutes, let that fully absorb before applying this. And then you can continue with your routine from there. And now, something for your lips. This is one of my favorite products, Dr. Lips Original Nipple Balm. And it is intended for what the name says. However, it is literally a 10 in 1. It works on everything. It is a true multitasker. It works on lips, nips, brows, dry patches, elbows, cuticles, and it really works on any areas that need a little extra TLC. The ingredient in this is lanolin, and that helps to lock in hydration and repair any cracks. So, this is for those areas that get extremely dry to the point where they crack. But here's why you need this for your lips, because your lips lose moisture faster than the rest of your skin. So, they really do need extra care. I apply a thin layer in the morning and apply as needed throughout the day. You really probably won't need to too much. But then at night, I like to apply a thicker layer, and this way it acts as an overnight mask. And then that way you wake up with pillow soft lips. Now, let's talk about body moisturizer. I love this particular one from Onyx Professional, the Dry Body Oil and Essence Duo. And I feel like we pretty much all have lotions that we love, but I feel like your skin needs more than just body lotion. A body oil helps to seal in that moisture. What I love about this dry body oil is it contains sea buckthorn and hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate and restore elasticity. And it's a non greasy formula, so it really absorbs quickly. That's what I love about dry oils. And the way you're going to want to use this is just apply after showering for silky smooth skin. So apply to slightly damp skin, not soaking wet, but slightly damp skin. And that way you can really lock in and have that post shower hydration. Let's get into hair. I'm currently obsessed with the Lucetta Glossy Pearl shampoo and conditioner and mask. This collection is infused with pearl extract and Philanthus fibrosa extract, which help with hydration and also adding shine, taming frizz, and improving manageability in your hair, which is something that my curls need and love. And the formulas are color safe and anti frizz so that it keeps the hair smooth and also manageable. Now, what I love about Lucetta is there are a variety of collections they have, so you can check them out. I'm going to list this and all of the products below so that you can find them easily. How to use this, you're just going to want to wash and condition as normal, but at least once a week, maybe twice a week, depending how frequently you wash your hair. Use that moisture mask and follow the instructions and let it sit. And maybe make this time to have an everything shower and just do the rest of your everything shower while the mask is in your hair. Let's say goodbye to dry, cracked heels because sandal season is right around the corner. So we cannot have our feet out there looking rough. And right now, I'm absolutely loving this duo. Now, I'm absolutely loving the Vosh Soulmate Heel Repair Balm. It is going to help you say goodbye to dry, cracked heels and rough skin on your feet. It's a balm that's in a tube that you're just going to rub on your heels, and it really helps. And the active ingredients are the vegan squalene and macadamia oil to really nourish and prevent moisture loss at the same time. So, the way that I like to use this is after you shower and you get ready for bed, you're going to apply it to your heels and then pair it with the moisturizing heel socks, which are these little socks that have a gel pad in the heel. And you are going to wake up to actually having soft heels. So if you worry about your feet or you just want to get ready for sandal season, this is absolutely one to pick up. And of course, we can't forget our eyes. The delicate skin surrounding our eye area really tells a story, whether you like it or not, sometimes. So, whether you're dealing with bags, puffiness, dark circles, I have a few treats just for your eyes. And these all happen to be from Grace and Stella. If you're not familiar, Grace and Stella is probably known best for those fun under eye patches. You know, you wear them when you're getting ready for a big day, a big event, big evening, or every day. And I love them. They're those cooling gel patches that go under your eyes. But they also have some newly launched products. The first up is the Depuffing Eye Elixir. This one helps to banish bags and dark circles. The first one from Grace and Stella is the Depuffing Eye Elixir. And this is a caffeine eye cream serum, and it's in a roller ball, which keeps it a little bit cool and helps to soothe any puffiness and will just help you feel a little bit more wide-eyed. Is formulated with caffeine to give that bright, awake look. This also helps to boost a little bit of that hydration, and it is safe for the eye area. And then, of course, we have the Restoring Eye Balm. This one is great because it has 3% caffeine to tackle under eye darkness and also 0.25% retinol to minimize visible fine lines. So this one is great to use at night and wake up feeling a little bit more refreshed, at least under your eyes. Sometimes we need a quick refresh in the middle of the day, and if you need to give your skin a quick boost, I love a facial mist. The latest Skin Food Hydrating Face Mist is one of my favorites because it's an ultrafine, milky mist that delivers deep hydration with every spritz. So it's formulated with humectants, including hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and it works alongside their botanical blends that includes calendula, chamomile, rosemary, sunflower, and pansy all in one spray. So you get the power of those botanicals in a spritz, and it's perfect for a midday refresh or as part of your daily skincare routine. You can use it on bare skin or even over makeup, and it enhances your complexion, leaving it feeling radiant, dewy, and just hydrated. So that's my spring skincare refresh, and we've got you covered from head to toe, face, body, hair. Let me know in the comments which product you're most excited to try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified of my next one. If you are listening in on the podcast, thank you for tuning in. And if you want to see the products, head over to my YouTube channel for the full breakdown and video. I'll be posting a cheat sheet of all the products that I mentioned today on my Instagram and LTK, so make sure you're following along there so you have direct links as well. Thanks so much for joining me today, and until next time, stay glowing.